circle the first and last letter of the each word and write the first and last letter in the last column. Okay? Come Shraddha. Read first. Read first. Read the word first. Very good. First one, last one. Okay, good. Go fast. Now, write the first and last letter in last column. Go fast. CT. Good. Next. Say loudly. PT and B. Very good. Good. Good girl. Next. Come. Read the word first. Good. Circle the word letters. Do fast. Good. 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 Write down in the last column. Hey, stop. Say loudly the letters. P N. Next. H. Say loudly and M. Very good ಆಗಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ನೀನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ದಿ ಎಂ ಐ ಎನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಗುಡ್ ಗೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಕಮ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್. Okay, good. First and last letters in last column. Say loudly up. Say loudly here. Good. Next. Good. Here. Last letter also circle. Okay, write down the first and last letters in last column. Hey, stop clapping. B L Good. Next. Good. Write down in last column first and last letter. Yes. Say loudly. Yes. N. Okay. Then B. Okay, good. Go. Next, clap for Vaibhav. Good. Circle the letters first and last letter. K. Good. Good. Very good. And here.